Welcome back to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a rich and dreamy mocha biscuit dessert. A no-bake delight layered with creamy chocolate, coffee pudding and soft biscuits. If you love coffee and chocolate, you are going to love this easy dessert. Let's begin. Start by boiling 2 cups of milk in a pan. Mocha is a flavor combination of chocolate and coffee, named after a port city in Yemen. Add 1/4 cup sugar and let it dissolve. In a bowl, mix half cup warm milk, 1 teaspoon instant coffee, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder. This dessert is fully no-bake, perfect when you don't want to use the oven. And 3 tablespoon cornflour. Whisk well until smooth. Always mix cornflour in cold or warm milk to avoid lumps. Slowly pour the mixture into the boiling milk while stirring. Cook on medium heat for 5 to 6 minutes until the pudding thickens. Turn off the heat and let it cool for 5 minutes. Now beat 1 cup whipping cream until soft peaks form. A chill mocha dessert tastes even better the next day as the flavor blend deeper. Divide the cream in half. Now another mixing bowl, take 2 tablespoon milk, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon instant coffee. To 1/2, stir this mocha blend into the whipped cream and mix well. Set aside. Take some Milk Mary biscuits. Now prepare the biscuit dip. In a bowl, mix half cup warm water, 1 teaspoon instant coffee and 1 teaspoon sugar. Dip the biscuit one by one in the coffee mix. Start assembling in a 9-inch mold. Layer the deep biscuit at the bottom. Mary biscuits are a classic base in Indian dessert. Pour some of the chocolate pudding. Let the pudding cool slightly before layering so biscuits don't get soggy. Repeat the biscuit and pudding layers. Dip biscuits quickly, don't soak too long or they will break. Now spread the chocolate whipped cream on top. Add the remaining plain whipped cream in a piping bag. Make your favorite swirl or pattern. Coffee in moderation can improve alertness and energy. Cocoa is rich in antioxidants and boosts mood. Cornflour provides energy without heaviness. Whipping cream in small amounts gives richness while keeping the dessert light. Dust with cocoa powder for a professional touch. Refrigerate for 2 to 3 hours and your mocha biscuit dessert is ready to serve. What's your favorite no-bake dessert? Would you try this recipe with chocolate chips or caramel drizzle? Tag someone who loves coffee as much as you do. Comment below if you want more biscuit-based dessert. That's all for today from No-Bake Cake and Cookies. This creamy mocha biscuit dessert is a hit at any gathering or just as a family treat. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious ideas. See you in the next sweet creation. Happy no-bake cooking!